Although I extend my greetings to all of you today as we celebrate 31 years of hard work, resilience, and success in the Ifugao Global Entrepreneurs Multipurpose Cooperative, known as IGEMCO. More than 3 decades. Wow. That's older than some of our members. Ano ba? The young members ito? Lower than 31 years old?
Aaron.
Pakahigalo lang di matibo ang ulit than 31 years old. This milestone, it is not just about numbers. It's about the stories you've built together, the challenges you've conquered, and the dreams we continue to pursue. 31 years ago, this cooperative was founded on the principles of togetherness, self-reliance, and empowerment. Today, you stand strong because of your unwavering commitment to these values. They say, alone, we can do so little, but together, we can do so much. These words from Helen Keller perfectly describe the strength of our cooperative. We have proven time and again that when we pool our resources, talents, and efforts, we can achieve incredible things. Think about it. Imagine a single Ifugao farmer planting rice alone. Yes, he can harvest, but the load is heavy and progress is slow. But when a community plants together, the work becomes lighter, the harvest is greater, and the celebration is much grander. That is the power of cooperation. Over the years, we have faced economic downturns, climate changes, and even the challenges brought by the pandemic. But did we give up? No. Instead, we adapted, innovated, and keep moving forward. As the great entrepreneur Henry Ford once said, when everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. We took those challenges as opportunities to grow and improve. Today, we are not just surviving, we are thriving. As entrepreneurs, we are not just business people, we are dream builders. Every product we sell, every service we offer, and every investment we make is a step toward a brighter future. Ifugao entrepreneurs are not just businessmen, we are visionaries. And let's be honest, entrepreneurs have a special kind of bravery. We invest money we don't have into businesses we are still figuring out. To serve customers we haven't met. But that's the spirit of entrepreneurship. Taking risks, believing in possibilities, and never backing down. As Steve Jobs once said, the people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. And let me tell you, Ifugao entrepreneurs are just the right kind of crazy. Looking ahead, the future of our cooperative. As we move forward, let us continue to strengthen our cooperative, embrace new opportunities, and support each other. Our success is not measured by how much we earn, but how many lives we improve. The future of Ifugao Global Entrepreneurs Multipurpose Cooperative is bright because it is built on a foundation of integrity, hard work, and oneness. So let's keep going, keep growing, and keep proving that Ifugao entrepreneurs are world-class. Let's celebrate not just our past achievements, but also the exciting future ahead. And let's continue to build a better future for all IGEMCO members. Congratulations to all of you and happy 31st anniversary. Ifugao Global Entrepreneurs Multipurpose Cooperative. Mabuhay ang IGEMCO! Agio Ejemco.
Gio!
Lastly, pinuduman na ibagaton ng ma-recruit namin. By this time, met siguro nag-volume nandun na inatawtun na palpalabas.
Stunal
Dami,
paste
kuya nun interesado amihi politics. Aon, tumaraya ni congressman under ng PFP banner. May 12, 2025 election day. At na lang mo ang days, dinabatid no ani. As of today, 64 days to go. O yan mo change the munpun na ubon ang politicians ito pobleto. I-consider yun. Diodrom ang kakandidato. I-consider yun nan makatulong. Ida yun to metlayan. So dami, akon, may sa medbuan negosyante. Maliban hinang pagiging contractor, naging negosyante ya medbo. Maawata di asasaad di uhaan organization. I've been running my business for more than 25 years. Makatulong nga ito idayo. Rinatana na hitsansa. Along, inandir kapartido for governor, Attorney Eugene Balitang, for board member, ating Jare Habiling, danana. Danana. May sapay nga kadwa ni para board member is Attorney Mayamo.
Member.
Unfortunately, may adnuani. And then, may taunang din na municipal. May damanag tauhan na vice governor, waday sarili ng partido na, may haon na in kampanya na partido na. Narigat met nga mong panggit ito nga bukod taga partido because baka ibagada nga apay nga itungda ni. Adi mi pinhod ang may associate ng partido yun. So, irespeto tao di ang kapanunutan. Because way haon waday partido na. May ito na municipal level, wadahan na Madam Dilamlin for mayor, Marlon Bocan for vice mayor, councilors, wada lang di dua. Tama ba?
Tulo.
Tulo. Of course, si Godfrey Dominong, si Wilfred Lunag, and
Christy Martin.
Christy Martin. So, natuloy ng kapartido mihi PFP, Partido Federal ng Pilipinas. Ito ay ng partido ng Apo Presidente, wada amihin ng Administration Party. Adiyo ni Pripatan, natuloy ang kandidato mismo. I-consider yun. Clear? Mabalin ba? Oh, salamat na rin. Once again, congratulations ito ay ng Ejemco organization. Thank you.